Namaskar students, welcome to Captech Academy again. Today we are going to discuss 6th semester subject fertilizer technology. The topic is nitric acid, already written in the board. Now let's discuss about physical chemical properties of nitric acid and its uses. Okay, step by step we will discuss it now. Okay, now first physical properties. Okay, what is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3. HNO3 is the formula of nitric acid. By formula, what is molecular weight? Molecular weight is 1 plus 14 plus 48, 63. Now, what is melting point? Melting point is minus 43 degree Celsius. Boiling point is 86 degree Celsius with decomposition. Okay. Solubility completely miscible with water. Okay. Color crystals of pure HNO3 are colorless and quite stable. Its specific gravity at 18 degrees Celsius is 1.502. These are the physical properties of nitric acid. Almost it is in liquid, available in liquid form, and it's very corrosive in nature. Okay, these all are the physical properties of nitric acid. Now let's discuss about chemical properties of nitric acid. Chemical properties: it reacts with alkali and basic oxide and carbonates to form salts. Reacts with alkali, basic oxide and carbonates to form salts. Okay, it reacts with alkali, basic oxide and carbonates to form salts. It reacts with ammonia and forms ammonium nitrate. Nitric acid react with ammonia and form ammonium nitrate. Nitric acid react with all metals except गोल्ड. गोल्ड के साथ रिएक्ट नहीं करेगा. प्लेटिनम एंड टिटेनियम एक्सेट्रा. ओके. react with sodium and potassium to produce nitrogen. react with sodium and potassium to produce nitrogen. These are the chemical properties of nitric acid. Heated with concentrated acid in the presence of catalyst sulfur. That means nitric acid with highly concentration in the presence of catalyst. If it react with sulfur, produce sulfuric acid. It react with phosphorus, produce phosphoric acid. It react with arsenic, produce arsenic acid. It react with iodine, produce ionic acids. Okay, these are the chemical properties of nitric acid. Okay. Iron, aluminium dissolve in dilute HNO3, but with concentrated nitric acid form metal oxide which passivates the metal. That means metal ને નિષ્ક્રિય બનાવી દે છે. ક્યારે? જ્યારે કોન્સન્ટ્રેટેડ નાઇટ્રિક એસિડ યુઝ કરીએ તો. એટલે આયર્ન and aluminium. Iron and aluminium dissolve in dilute nitric acid, but with concentrated nitric acid form metal oxide which passivates the metal. Passivates, નિષ્ક્રિય. Okay, metal ને નિષ્ક્રિય બનાવી દે છે. These are the chemical properties of nitric acid, and it react with cyclohexanol and cyclohexanol to produce adipic acid. Nitric acid react with cyclohexanol and cyclohexanone to produce adipic acid. Okay, these all are the chemical properties of. Now let's discuss about the uses of nitric acid. Uses of nitric acids. All the nitric acid, or we can say that almost 75% nitric acid is used to produce ammonium nitrate, which is most popular fertilizer. Okay, so the largest use of HNO3 is to produce ammonium nitrate, and almost 75% ammonium nitrate is used as fertilizer. Okay, it is also used in the production of adipic acid. Adipic acid બનાવવા માટે પણ ઉપયોગ થાય છે. It is also used in the manufacturing of Dinitrotoluene. It is also used in the manufacturing of nitrobenzene. Okay, and nitrobenzene is hydrogenated to make aniline. Okay, it is also used in the manufacturing of explosive metal, explosive metal nitrate, nitrocellulose, and rocket propellants. One kind of fuel for rocket. Okay, these all are the uses of nitric acid, and it is a reagent and used in laboratory. So these are the uses of nitric acid. Okay, got it? Thank you.